economic growth and development. And the earlier discussion from our group, we look at this title in the banner. Yeah. Our workshop is not Islamic macroeconomics, but our workshop is this one, macroeconomics from Islamic perspective. So, of course, in macroeconomics conventional, mainly what was being discussed is Keynesian, CIG, and X, and so on. So the way we look at in this group one discussion is that we look at what has been discussed in the textbook of macroeconomics and choose for the chapter which is related to economic growth and development, and we discuss that issues and we put the Islamic perspective. One of the discussion that discussed in group one is on the issue of why, what, and where. Yeah, why we need macroeconomics from Islamic perspective, and what is actually the macroeconomics. Yeah, and then where we bring Islamic macroeconomics. So in this discussion, why, what, where, yeah, we start with why. Of course, in many cases, in many textbooks, yeah, the first pages in every chapter normally is why. Why we need this one. Yeah. Again, in this group, we also choose why as our first topic of discussion. Why we need macroeconomics from Islamic perspective.